In this video, I'll be talking about the exit strategy, what you should follow to be safe in intraday trading. So, what is this exit strategy and how you should exit the stocks when you're trading? So, I'll be telling you. Hi guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about the exit strategy, what you should follow to be safe in intraday trading. So what is this exit strategy and how you should exit the stocks when you're trading? So I'll be telling you all this safe information which will help you to save your capital in intraday trading. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money constantly in intraday trading, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced, and all the details are in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. Here you can go inside the earning proof and feedback messages and see how my clients are earning consistent profits after joining with me. So a lot of people got into my trading program and now they are making money constantly, and also people who had losses have recovered their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here in my blogspot. Okay, and not only they are making consistent profit, so once you join us and learn to make consistent profit, you can be financially free. You can go buy whatever you want and you can create your own wealth. Okay, it's not only me who is making the profit, so every client who is joining us are making the profit. You can check all the earning proof here and you can check all the feedback messages. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make profit constantly like this, you can join us today. If you're a beginner, you can join this course from the basics. I'll be guiding you. If you're having losses, don't worry, you can just start with 5 to 10,000 minimum capital, and per day you can make 1,000 rupees profit. For that, I'll be guiding you, and also I'll be giving you a lifetime support in the live market also. Okay, so you can go through all this earning proof and feedback messages, and if you guys are interested, you can join us today and you can cut your losses from today. So if you guys want to earn consistent profit from now on, you can join this course and I'll be teaching you how to make consistent profits. So these are the benefits and advantages what you get once you join my course. So once you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in trading. I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. Okay, I'll be giving you a lifetime support with in live market guidance also, and I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 rupees. I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks, everything in this course. And also I'll be teaching you a very good money management system, a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And you can go through all of this feedback and earning proof. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this from now, you can join us today. So guys, by being said that, now let's talk about the exit strategy. So what is this exit strategy and why is this exit important? So whenever you get into the trading, the exit point is very important. Either you will be in a profit or the exit, I mean in the profit or the loss, but the exit is very important. Okay, so many of the people, when I say exit, it comes to the stop loss. So many of the people keep less stop loss, large stop loss. Okay, so many people were asking me like, what is the correct way of keeping the stop loss? So in this video, I'll be talking about all these things. Okay, so I personally follow 1:2 risk reward ratio. For example, if my target is 2 rupees, I keep stop loss as 1 rupee. Okay, and how I keep the stop loss, it depends. Okay, and it depends on your trading style, what kind of trading you are doing, and depending on that you should keep your targets and stop loss. And coming to the exits, you should always exit at your desired point of target or the stop loss. So don't have to wait more than that. Okay, for example, let's say you're targeting 0.5% of the stock as a target, so make sure you set the 0.5% as a target and exit it there, and don't hold with much greediness. Okay, so you should not have greediness or over needing of the things when you're doing intraday trading, because in intraday trading the stock will not be moving in the same direction. It will be coming up, it will be coming down. So that's the reason why you have to set your exit point either to the profit or to the stop loss and exit it, and you should not take larger risk of your capitals to lose. So what you should do is you should set the targets and you should set the stop losses also. Okay, so here is your exit points. You know where you're setting the targets, so that is the target, and you know where you're keeping the stop loss, so that's the stop loss, and that's where you're exiting. So this is how you should plan your exit strategy before you enter the stock. Okay, so if you don't have an exit strategy, you'll end up in lot of confusions. Sometimes even the profit may turn into loss. Okay, sometimes I see many clients and many people telling that I see the profit, but I held it with the greediness, and then the stock came down and they went into the loss. So you should not do like that. Okay, so you should always plan your exits, set the targets, set the stop loss, so however it hits, you will be exited and you will be safe with the capital. Okay, and many people keep their stop loss technically, and also many people keep like other way, like the candle half of it and all these things, depending on the strategy. But I would like to give you some of the few tips and tricks how we can place the stop losses. Okay, I mean the exits, when it's in need, right? Like when it's in not correct. Okay, for example, let's say we buy a stock somewhere around this price, and the stock is not going up or not going down, and if it's consolidating like this itself for the whole day, then this stock will not move. So that time it's better to exit for little bit of less profit or little bit of less loss also. Okay, so it doesn't mean that sometimes we make a wrong entries, we know, but it's better if we know that and exit it. Okay, so if you get into a stock which is in consolidating mode and if it's not even moving, you just exit the stock. Okay, so you don't have to waste your whole day for that, because there will be good stocks which are in a movement, so you can just catch that. So if the stock is not moving and if the stock is consolidating, by chance if we get into those trades, just cancel those trades and exit it off. Okay, and one more way to make a good exits are, you can always use pivot points. Okay, that's very good for seeing the supports and resistance level. So let's say here, as you can see, it is showing the support and resistance level and all these things. As you can see, it depends on the time frame what you are using. So for example, you have bought a stock thinking that the resistance level is broken and the stock will not go up. Okay, let's say the stock will not move up, and you bought in with the confidence that the resistance is broken. So at that time, the stock is not going down, and if it's coming down, you can better set a stop loss or exit it with a few losses itself. Okay, so that you don't have to bear the more losses again. And sometimes you see that support is breaking, and if you short sell it, and if it's going to the target, that's well and fine, you are doing a good trade. But if it's not going, and if it's taking the support, and if it's going up, then that's a wrong entry and you need to take a exit. Okay, so if you're following an indicative based strategy, it depends on how you enter and how you exit. So many people who are using indicators, they keep on the indicative based stop losses, but here we keep percentage wise stop losses when we are trading, like 0.5% as a stop loss or 1% as a stop loss. So it depends on the stock price what you're trading, and it depends on the trading strategy and the trading way what you're trading. Okay, and if you guys don't have a good trading strategy, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to make a constant profit and a daily income from the intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course, I'll be teaching you my 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies, which will help you to make profit constantly in every single day. And also I'll be guiding you every day with the lifetime support to make constant profit. So if you guys wish to join us to make profit constantly, you can join us today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload how much profit I made and what stock I traded with the profit proof every single day. If you guys wish to earn the consistent profit and accurate profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.